TTS-800 Series golf rotors from Hunter Industries integrate advanced technology with unrivaled power, reliability, and performance to simplify irrigation management and cultivate impeccable playing surfaces in every application. TTS-800 rotors combine the field-proven benefits of our robust, highly efficient G80 and G85 gear drives with an all-new total top service body, inlet valve, and control mechanism to ensure unmatched ease of installation and serviceability. Enter a new era of golf course irrigation with the most reliable and powerful rotors in the industry. No-dig total top serviceability means all TTS-800 rotor components are easily accessible and routine maintenance is a breeze. The patented filter sentry mechanism cleans the filter with every opening and closing cycle, an industry first. Each rotor has an extra-large fast-access flange compartment to accommodate full-size DBRY6 splice connectors and an integrated two-way module. The pressure regulator and solenoid are easily serviceable without system depressurization, which saves significant time during routine maintenance. Exclusive pressure port nozzle technology maximizes distribution uniformity to ensure healthy, playable turf in any setting. The high-torque gear drive is the strongest in the industry to mitigate the challenges of reclaimed water and debris infiltration. TTS-800 Series rotors are available in 4 models to ensure optimized performance in a range of applications. The GT-880 is a dedicated, true full-circle model distinguished by a black collar. The GT-884 is an adjustable model that comes factory set in a true full-circle configuration. The GT-885 is an adjustable model that comes factory set as a part circle. Both adjustable models are distinguished by a gray collar. The GT-835 is a short radius, low flow model, often used on tee boxes. The heavy-duty, impact-resistant construction of the ribbed body inlet sets the industry standard for quality. 3 ports of entry are available to allow for fast, easy, and organized wire management during installation. The regulator is adjustable when installed or removed, allowing for easy fine-tuning of settings for optimal performance. The on-off auto selector is color-coded with a visual indicator that makes it easy to identify when a rotor is in the manual off position. The solenoid includes a captive and serviceable plunger assembly. Can be serviced without depressurizing the system to maximize time and labor savings. The Stage 2 filter protection helps prevent rotor weeping, with an additional layer of filtration for water going through the system. Proprietary pressure port nozzle technology optimizes incoming nozzle pressure to increase consistency and maximize distribution uniformity. Simple arc adjustments with or without a tool allows users to fine-tune the rotor trajectory according to site needs. The powerful, patented planetary gear drive powers through even the harshest conditions. A range of nozzle packages are available with flows from 10 GPM, 33.7 liters per minute, at a radius of 37 feet, 11.3 meters, to 58.5 GPM, 225.6 liters per minute, at a radius of 97 feet, 29.5 meters. Specialty low-angle nozzles are also available to accommodate high wind environments and other specific needs. At Hunter, we know that uniformity means more consistent playing surfaces and less water usage. In water audit challenges comparing distribution uniformity at courses around the world, Hunter systems achieve a 17% savings in water usage over the competition on average. Now that's smart irrigation. TTS-800 rotors are thoughtfully engineered to maximize convenience and minimize waste. The rock screen, filter, and seat seal are all serviceable, which results in significant cost savings over time because there's no need to replace the entire inlet valve during routine maintenance. The stainless steel Stage 1 filter protects control components by stopping debris infiltration. Finally, the patented filter sentry design cleans with every activation to ensure ultimate reliability and years of top performance. Golf course superintendents have a difficult job when it comes to irrigation management. Playability directly impacts revenue, so effective irrigation is critical at all times. Harsh environments and dirty water can make matters even more complicated. With heavy-duty, highly efficient, and easy-to-service TTS rotors from Hunter Industries, superintendents can push past these obstacles to ensure beautiful, playable courses for years to come. Learn more at hunterindustries.com/golf.